to see you again. I hope you are all doing well. So today the agenda is about strategy implementation. I've asked every department to send their PowerPoint files for compilation. Did you guys send it?
Yes, we sent it to the
Yes.
email.
Yes.
So that's good. So let's before we start, let's first recap the last meeting, then continue with the strategies.
So as a recall, our firm SBA Co's mission is to maintain unrivaled and high-quality accounting and consulting services while adhering to the highest standards of integrity and confidentiality, with a commitment to meet the needs of our clients and build a long-term partnership based on trust. This will be also our guiding principle for the rest of the strategies, particularly to the growth and competitive strategy. For the growth strategy as a new business, it is important already to have a competitive advantage that will recognize and help us to successfully grow along the way. Thus, in order to achieve this, SBA Co is committed not only to provide the usual accounting services, which include bookkeeping, chartered accounting, tax accounting, forensic accounting, legal advisory, and auditing. In addition, we will also provide new services such as financial controller and financial planning to our existing market. These new services will cater not only the established corporations but also the SMEs and individuals who are in need of such services.
So the said strategy will be supported by our competitive strategy. Since the accounting firms here in the Philippines are mostly internationally affiliated, SBA and Company would compete through the combination of cost leadership and differentiation, or what we call best cost strategy. This strategy will enable the firm to build brand loyalty, which is also part of the mission because of the differentiated service that we will offer, such as financial planning and financial controller services, while still offering it for a lower price, as the company would also work based on the size of the business and adapt the service that best suited their needs. Now let's go for today's main agenda, which is the functional strategies. And let's begin.
For a startup like SBA and Company, marketing and promoting to available platforms in order to boost brand awareness is a crucial part. However, certain types of advertising and promotions are prohibited. With this, SBA and Company will use two marketing strategies that comply with the BOA Resolution number 126 series of 2008. First is to leverage webinars for branding. SBA and Company can maximize the technology and incorporate a value-added approach to promote the services, give awareness, and show its proficiency in the field. This marketing strategy is a great way to the firm to highlight its expertise and build its credibility in the industry, while also adding value to its attendees, which can serve as leverage for the word-of-mouth promotions. Moreover, webinars give the firm the capability to connect to its audience without incurring too much time, effort, and cost that will also support its cost leadership with ease and differentiation by highlighting the differentiated service the firm can offer. Next is to utilize a high-performing website. All the online presence, content, and advertisement that the firm engages will prompt the potential clients still back to the website, making it a major tool for brand visibility to provide the client a clear idea of what the firm can offer. Additionally, a high-performance website can give SBA and Company credibility with all the company information laid out in the platform that can build trust towards the firm. Likewise, we can also track everything through the analytics tool that can help the firm formulate better marketing strategies based on the data.
That's nice. It really looks like we can produce brand awareness with all the strategies. Thank you, Cha. Let's now proceed to the operation strategy.
Thank you, Karla. For our operational strategy, I also have two systems you can adopt to ensure an effective and efficient operation. Before exercising our professional services, a contract between our clients must be first prepared. Giving them information about our services must also be made so that they will be well informed of the outputs, data that we should gather, and reasonable assurance from our reports. For us to have effective contract management, we must provide a clear insight of our work and extent, establish a contract life cycle, and make an agreement with our client on the consequences for the delays in payment terms. Contract management will also prevent delays and backlogs and will not compromise the timeline allotted for other clients. Last, for the operation strategy, monitoring the performance of every department will also help the development of operations and work efficiency. Quarterly reports will help the firm to identify the progress of every department in accomplishing their specified works. Conducting a quarterly report for internal control will provide a snapshot to the upper boards about the efficiency and contribution in the firm. Through quarterly reports, the occurrence of possible risks that may hamper the operation of the firm will be prevented and cost efficiency will also be maintained because issues and risks will resolve immediately.
So thank you for a detailed operation strategy. Next is our information technology that will really play a huge role for our firm.
Yes, Ms. Reyes. First is our utilization of QuickBooks. This accounting software would allow the company to easily monitor revenue, generate and send invoices, and keep track of its financial performance at all times. What's great about it is that it is an integrated, industry-recognized security system that safeguards all necessary data, backs them up automatically, and is dedicated to assisting the company in performing various works. QuickBooks Online is the best option because it is the most advantageous and cost-effective financial reporting method for a firm like SBA and Company. Next, for internal control purposes, SBA and Company will employ Astra HRIS Payroll. This is a user-friendly web-based employee information system that automates and enhances the delivery of human resources services, including maintaining employee records, facilitating requests for leaves, and monitoring employees' performance and skills. This information system has been fine-tuned to reduce wasteful spending without compromising efficiency, which is ideal for the firm in providing high-quality yet low-cost services.
Thank you so much, Iris. Those softwares look really helpful for our system and will also ensure internal control. Our next set of strategies is for human resources. Anna and Joshua.
For our human capital, we prepared two strategies to ensure a healthy environment. The first one is about the recruitment and retention of qualified employees. With the global pandemic, the recruitment process will be conducted online, with applicants submitting their resumes via email, which will then be screened by HR personnel, and those who qualify will be conducted for the online interview. The company will also look for employees and staff that best fit the characteristics needed in the firm to meet its mission and goals. As a startup entity, the salary would still be competitive, and the firm will ensure that it will give the employee efforts worth without jeopardizing the financial stability and the quality of the employee's performance. We can also provide rewards to recognize top-performing employees and to motivate them with their work.
Thus, for the HR strategy, the firm will provide regular training for its employee to guarantee the attainment of its mission. Specifically, the firm can provide on-site training that is less costly since the training will be made by the senior accountant because they are more experienced in field work. The firm can also provide training to the accountants through webinars and virtual conferences, which do not require travel expense for the company. The training will be beneficial to the workforce to support their personal career goals and by enhancing their current skills and developing new skills.
Thank you for the precise strategies, especially that we're in service industry, so human capital must be really taken care of. Last, of course, our financial strategy. Jake, tell us about your strategy.
As the firm is made as a partnership, it will follow a general professional partnership agreement to contribute to the capital based on the arrangement with the partners. In this case, the capital structure of SBA and Company is composed of the contributed financial capital of 150,000 pesos from each of the 8 partners, constituting a total of 1.2 million pesos, with the agreement of an equal allocable share in the profit or loss of 12.5% for each partner. To support the strategy of the firm, this capital structure agreement is cost-effective due to the sharing of risk and the absence of double taxation, as the partnership itself will not be subject to income tax, but rather the partners are only subject with respect to their individual and separate capacities, according to the National Internal Revenue Code of 1997 under Section 26. Last, for the financial strategy, reserves of SBA and Company will be promised revenue, meaning a portion of the company's income that was earned from our normal operation are set aside for the future endeavors that are associated with the working capital of the firm. These reserves will be accumulated on a monthly basis to generate enough funds to provide appropriate level of fundings for unforeseen opportunities and also prepares, protects, and secure the firm for any unexpected threats and all type of risk in the future.
Thank you, Jake. I think that would be all for our functional strategies. So I would like to ask everyone if you have any questions or clarifications to the other strategies.
None.
None.
If that's the case, then we're all set. Everyone will get a copy of today's meeting, and our next step is to actualize these strategies. Thank you, everyone, and see you guys on next meeting.
Thank you.
Thank you.
you.